wait to explore more cafes. It's good. Welcome to my humble abode. Wow, we're getting so many things. Morning, guys. It is day 3 of our trip. We thought it was gonna be like super gloomy today, but actually it ended up very sunny and nice. And today it's gonna be another shopping day. We're gonna explore Seongsu right now and then move on to Hannam area for lots and lots of shopping today. We're here for some lunch. We found this Kulgaksu restaurant in Seongsu, and it looks like it's like Korean TV and YouTube and stuff. I mean, they only do 3 things: pure clams, clam noodles, and seafood pancake. Guys, the kimchi here is so good, like so spicy but so good. They also have some condiments, some chili, some soy paste, some sauces to go with it. I'm sure like the soup will taste so sweet and so nice with like the amount of clam they cook it in. Oh, the restaurant is like so bustling because it's like lunch hour and we came like just before the queue starts to form, so we're feeling very lucky right now. The noodle is like super chewy, definitely very thick. The clams are like really tiny, but still like pretty soft. There's no sand or anything. And the soup is like your comfort food. Nothing too strong flavor, like because we ate so many strong flavor Korean food over the past day, and it's nice to eat something warm and comforting, especially after we wake up in the morning. Definitely recommend to come here if you're looking for something more of a comfort food around the Seongsu area.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is Rudy. So we're in the Korean local grocery store. They have so many different kinds of local snacks, like this one right here.
Cinnamon bun Oreo.
Never seen anything like that anywhere else. Every time when me and Natalie go to a different place, we always want to check out their local grocery shopping, just to experience what it's like to live as a local. And check this out. They sell large tubs of gochujang. In Hong Kong, you can only find smaller ones like these. Everything is nearly oversized. It's like they sell in bulk.
Let me use my strong arm. No problem. Easy.
But imagine bringing this home to Hong Kong. Is that Oreo?
It's not even Oreo. It's like a fake Oreo.
It's not even Oreo. So this is their produce section, which you can just walk in, and apparently you can just buy everything in bulk. So if you're like a restaurant owner, I think this is a perfect place. And it's really chilly in here because it's like a walk-in cooler.
Look how organized it is. They sell it by leaves.
So all these vegetables, they just tear it off from the root and they just sell it individual leaves.
Like by weight, I guess.
Yeah, definitely by weight. But look how organized this is.
It's definitely some OCD shit going on.
If they cannot sell it, would it rot faster? What do you guys think? So Natalie's asking, what is this?
I have no idea. Korean.
Unfortunately, we can't read Korean. And these strawberries, I do wonder if they are sweet, like Japanese styles. And they're big. And they're a little bit pricey, right?
Like $60.
60 Hong Kong dollars, apparently.
It's definitely going to be double the price in Hong Kong, though. So we passed by onion again, and this onion is definitely very different from the other onion that we went to. The whole vibe is very industrial, very like hip compared to the other one. They have some special drinks here, like chocolate latte and strawberry milk tea. So they have some special item here. Like the chocolate pain au chocolat that looks so good, covered in cocoa powder. Also have like a rooftop area, so it's perfect for a day like this where it's sunny but not too hot. And it's like right next to the train. Just a little coffee break after lunch, even though I'm not drinking coffee because I'm feeling a little stuffed. We're here at A to B and guys, it's so cute. Like it's not crowded at all because we're here on a Tuesday obviously, and the deco is like on point and the drinks are also very good. This melon soda is quite sweet, but it's like very refreshing for a summer's day. Rudy got an oat milk latte. His latte was also very, very good, very smooth. I feel like all coffee in nice cafes in Korea are like nice. Standard is just high. Coffee here is like very affordable. It was like 30 Hong Kong dollar, which is very, very reasonable. Easily half the price of Hong Kong, you can get a very nice cup of coffee, even better than Hong Kong quality, to be honest. So yeah, can't wait to explore more cafes. I have a feeling that we're gonna get our second cup of coffee, well, my first cup of coffee later today in Hannam Dong or something. So after this, we're gonna start our shopping day. Yeah, it's like a nice day out. I'm very excited. See you soon. My humble abode. So apparently there's a problem with people getting lonely in Korea, and these pet rocks are like getting super popular, and you can even like wear hats and like buy alcohol for them. It's so cute. Apparently one of Asia's top coffee spot, so I'm definitely getting a coffee. And I got the vanilla latte. I'm getting vanilla lattes everywhere, so let's see which one is the best. It's good, very strong, stronger than the other ones. Yeah, the onion one was better, actually, surprisingly. But I guess if you like stronger coffee, you might like this one better. Your apple tea was so sweet. So sweet. Yeah. It's good. Kind of like, it's a bit cold as well, so it tastes kind of like ice cream. I like it. And I got a lemon Madeline. Not very sweet. The cake's really soft and fresh. When I saw that it's in a package like this, I was worried that like, it wouldn't be like very fresh, but actually it's quite freshly made, I think. Cheesecake is better though. We're at Dunkin Donuts because our American boy is homesick and needs to get his donut fix. What you getting, American boy? Oh, look at how small it is. Mixed granola, it sounds interesting. Did they even tell you like how much calorie there is in this? It's not really encouraging me to get it. Oh my god, look at the smiley one, it's so cute. What is it?
Do you want cafe mocha?
Wow, we're getting so many things. Kind of dry. It's okay. Rudy just spent like over an hour at Musinsa Standard. He's been complaining that I've spent all my days shopping, so now I think he's happy because like, look, he's got so much items and I just got 2 t-shirts.
She was rushing me.
I was not rushing you. I like literally was standing there for hours, so now he cannot complain that I shop all day and he's happy, so I'm happy. And he said he wants to come back because he loves this brand, apparently. They do like a lot of simple Korean men's fashion here, so if that's what you're looking for, this is the place. It's like Zara but nicer and Korean style. Dinner, we're having Korean sashimi. I think we over-ordered. Ordered a medium-sized one, and hell, I don't think we can finish it. But let's see if it's fresh. Got some white fish. They usually like dip their sashimi with like chili sauce, so I'm gonna try that. Very fresh. It's more sweet than spicy, the sauce. Kind of hard to chew though. I think I prefer Japanese sashimi. So much easier to chew. But it's interesting to eat sashimi with all these different kind of sauces. Clearly this is a drinking food kind of place. Everyone's drinking and talking really loudly. We're not gonna drink, so we're just gonna try to finish this food. So this is everything we got today in Gangnam. They're all from this brand called Musinsa Standard. It's like a kind of like Korean version of Zara. So let's start with my items because I only got like actually 2 pieces here. This is where Rudy did his damage. So I got this like green t-shirt crop top because I've been obsessed with like green lately. And the material of this crop top is like so nice and the fit is so good. It's not like overly tight or loose. So I also got another one of the same item in white. So I'll just unbox it for the purpose of this. Basically the same thing in white. just super versatile for the summer in Hong Kong. So there's a theme with what we purchase in this store. Everything we buy in the same style but 2 colors. So these are the items that Rudy got. He got this polo style shirt in this navy blue color, and he got the same one in a green color because I've been encouraging him to get some green stuff too. And then he got these apparently very comfortable pants, long pants in this beige color, kind of in between formal and casual. And like I said, we got everything in 2 colors, so he got another one in black. I think these colors will go like basically with any of the items. Like for example, if we match the black with the green top, or like the navy top with the beige pants, they'll go pretty well together. So that's it for our haul today, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Ow.